Apart from their primary role, they also serve as a critical economic pillar. They contribute to local economies by creating jobs and fostering growth. Besides, they pay taxes that help fund public services and infrastructure. In this way, they significantly contribute to the overall economic well-being. Hence, they also generate income. So there you have it. A revolutionary way to earn online in 2024 by creating a custom chatbot with ChatGPT, an opportunity to build a valuable asset that promotes interaction and yields income. You can build a chatbot as a language assistant, fitness coach, or meditation mentor. It's about finding a niche you're passionate about and leveraging ChatGPT to create a bot that serves your audience. And that wraps up today's video. Embark on your journey to create a unique chatbot. It could open up avenues for earning online. Maybe your ChatGPT bot will be the remarkable innovation of 2024. Until next time, keep creating.